Are you tired of a cluttered Gmail inbox? Want to make sure the emails that matter most always catch your attention? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your inbox layout in Gmail so you can work smarter, not harder. The layout of your inbox can completely change how you manage and prioritize your emails. The good news is Gmail gives you several options to customize it just the way you like. Let's dive in. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel, which is your hub for customizing your inbox. Here, under Inbox Type, you'll see a handful of layout options. Default, perfect if you like a little automatic organization. It comes with tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions, so Gmail sorts your emails for you. Important. First, this layout places emails marked as important at the top, making sure your most critical messages are always visible. Unread first. If you get a lot of emails, this pushes all unread messages to the top so you can focus on new ones first. Starred first. For anyone who relies on starred emails, this layout highlights them at the top of your inbox. Priority inbox, Gmail, intelligently sorts your messages into categories like important and unread, starred, and everything else, giving you a structured overview. Multiple inboxes. This is for advanced users who want a highly personalized setup, letting you create separate sections for different labels or categories. If you want even more control, click See All Settings. In the Inbox tab, you can customize sections further, toggle categories like primary, social, or promotions, and manage importance markers according to how you prioritize emails. Once everything looks just right, scroll down and hit Save Changes to lock in your new layout. And that's it. With these simple tweaks, you can turn your Gmail inbox from chaotic to perfectly organized, helping you stay on top of your emails like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips to master Gmail and boost your productivity.